Hey guys, welcome back to J Studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate images using your smartphone. I will also teach you how to generate 3D cartoon characters just like the one you're watching now, how to lip sync to your voice or a unique voice, and you can do all these for free. Even if you're a beginner, a creator, or just curious, don't worry, I will walk you through every step to do it yourself. My name is Jay. If this is your first time on my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will always be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's go! First off, you have to generate your image or character using ChatGPT or any image generator of your choice. We have a couple of them, but today we will be using ChatGPT for this tutorial. I'll leave the link to the website in the description box or in the comment section. We will be creating a 3D cartoon character and I've installed the ChatGPT app on my phone. I will go ahead and open it. If you don't have the app installed on your phone, you can download it from the Play Store or use the website. Once you are in the app, tap on Create Image. You can type or paste your prompt and you can also upload your picture. As you can see, I'll be using a photo of myself and then paste the prompt. I'll leave the prompt in the description so you can copy, tweak, and use. Here is the prompt. Generate a 3D beautiful caramel skin tone, techie elegant female cartoon character with the same facial feature as in the photo, including a pointed nose, sitting in a gaming chair in an aesthetically beautiful YouTube studio background with her hands visible. She is wearing a black top with the inscription J Studio and speaking into a microphone while facing the camera. The image should be in a 16:9 ratio. Make sure you maintain the facial features. Now let's hit create. The image is processing. If it's taking time, you can minimize the app and check back later. The free version takes time. You can see the image is ready. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can keep tweaking till you achieve the result you desire. As for me, I'm okay with the image it generated for me, so I will click and download it to my device. Moving on, the second step is to animate the image that we just generated, that is, to turn the image into a video. Although there are image animation tools like Kling AI and Halo AI, we will be using Pixverse. Open Play Store and install Pixverse, if you have not already. Let us go over to Pixverse. When Pixverse is open, select the image you wish to animate by clicking the plus sign at the bottom of the page. Tap the Upload Your Image button in the middle of the page to bring up your device gallery and choose the image you want to animate. Once your image has been selected, you can specify what you want the image to do by either pasting or typing your prompt. Here I said, she is talking and making natural hand gestures with little head movements with soft lights casting on her face. You can adjust the prompt until you get the outcome you want. But keep in mind that Pixverse offers 60 credits for free every day. And each video that is created costs 20 credits. Therefore, you really need to know exactly what you want the image to do and which prompts to use, or else you might have to wait until the next day to try again. You'll be notified once your animated avatar is ready. And voila! Our video is ready. After opening the video, tap the download button in the upper right corner to download it to your device. The watermark can be seen here, but don't worry, the next step is to remove the watermark using a watermark remover tool. I've included a link in the description for easy access. On the website, click on Upload Video, then select your video from your gallery. Next, click on the rectangular tool, which allows us to mark just the area where the watermark is. Once you have selected that area, simply click Remove. The tool will process the video and remove the watermark. You can see the watermark has been successfully removed. This video animation now looks clean and ready for use. Now, let's move to the final step, which is to lip sync our avatar. For this, we will be using an app called Dreamface AI to lip sync. When you open the app, Dreamface isn't completely free, but when you first sign in, you will receive free credits to get started. If you want to use the app completely for free, check out the link in my description, join the Telegram group, and you will get it there for free. Alright? Let's go. Open Dreamface AI. Once it opens, you will see avatar talk or sing. We will use the avatar talk or sing because we want our animated video to talk. Next, tap on avatar talk or sing. From here, you can select the avatar video you want to use by tapping the plus sign to choose your avatar from your phone gallery. Tap confirm once you've selected your avatar. Then add your audio. Dreamface gives you several options here. Click on one's avatar to talk or sing. You can type your script if you wish to use a voice from Dreamface, import to import your audio, or even record to record at the spot. For me, I already have my audio, so I'll click on Import, select from File, and choose my audio. I will make a video on how to generate a realistic voiceover in subsequent videos, so stay tuned.
As I was saying, tap on Tap Script, click on Import, click on Files, select the audio file, tap on it, and click Confirm. If your audio is longer than 30 seconds, you will have to do this more than once. After that, click on Animate, wait for some minutes, and voila, our video is ready. If you wish to use one of the voices on Dreamface, then paste your script by tapping Add Script. Paste your script, click Confirm, select a voice, click Confirm, and then Animate. Once your video is ready, download to your device. Here is my video. Let's play it.
Hi, I'm not a real person, but I look like one, right? I'm a digital avatar that can talk and present without showing the person behind it. The best part, you can do this too. No need for a camera or expensive equipment. Welcome to J Studio, where we explore AI tools that help you create cool content without being on camera.
If you wish to create a unique voice for yourself, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Like I said before, I will be making a detailed video to show you how to design a unique voice for yourself. You can also join my Telegram group in order not to miss out. The link is in my description. If you enjoy what you see, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me stay motivated to keep creating more content for you. Thank you so much for your support. Awesome, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below if you have any question or if there's anything you want me to help you with. Just drop it in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.